Yo, what it do? You already know you're not gaming with DH, but you gunning with DH. Today I'm doing a unboxing slash review on a JTS M12 AR. So, dang, I don't know what to say about it, man. We'll go ahead and get into it and look at it. I haven't really did too much, but look at the instruction manual, stuff like that. Make sure it wasn't nothing I was missing. But we got this bad boy right here. As you can see, comes with instructions. Comes with a lock. Comes with a rear sight thing. Comes with front sight. Comes with 2 mags. I'll pull those out and show you guys. And most importantly, it comes with the firearm. So yeah, let's go ahead. All right, so this is it right here. What comes in the box is a rear sight, a front sight, also some extra little sets of tools, 2 mags. Let's get a close up here. Like I said, this is the JTS M12 AR. So it is a semi-automatic shotgun AR. A beauty, like an absolute beauty. I wouldn't even know what to say. It's self-explanatory. It's a beauty. Yeah. Also comes with 2 mags. I think they're 5-round mags. Yeah, they're 5-round mags. Let's see. So on this, we got a fire, we got a safety. I'm not really too much familiar with ARs, so I can't really tell you what everything is really, but you know, got a nice little stock right here. It definitely is. It's a normal stock. It's comfortable. The gun's not too heavy. Got the little charging handle. I'm not even sure how I push that, when I can push that or whatever. So I'm just gonna have to really do my homework on the AR platform. I've shot in ARs before, never a semi-automatic shotgun nor a 12 gauge AR platform shotgun. So yeah, this is a bad boy. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I definitely love it. You would think it'd probably be heavy, but it's really not. Let's see. Find a good grip on it. Yeah. So as you can see, it's definitely a good gun. I forgot the most important part. It's a very well. It was at a deal for $200, so I'm not sure if it's still that deal, but it's definitely a cheap gun. Good price. Like I said, it's the JTS M12 AR. Also, right here in the front, you got your I think it's called like a gas chamber knob or something like that. I'm not sure. But man, this a beauty. Like I said, it comes with 2 mags, so you got a secondary mag with it. It's not just 1 mag, even though it's 5 shots. Now, if they got like some type of drum for this bad boy, or even a 10 shot, 20 shot, that'd be dope for the range. I really do like it. You can't go wrong with it. It's an AR platform and a 12 gauge, and it's semi-automatic. It's not a pump action, so that's definitely pretty dope. Like I said, comes with the rear sight, comes with the front sight. Also some extra tools and things. One question I do have about this, and I'm gonna find out, is if like this lower is like a regular AR lower, and you can just put like a 5.56 223 upper on it, something like that. But yeah, we definitely gonna get this to the range, man. We gotta go ahead and oil her up, and things like that, just to make sure she's, you know, ready for action. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for watching. Like I said, this is just a small kind of unboxing and review. It's a $200 semi-automatic shotgun, JTS, M12 AR, 12 gauge and an AR platform. As you can see, we do got the, I'm not sure how long this is. I'd probably say 16-inch barrel, somewhere in that range. Really doesn't seem too long for it to be a shotgun and you know, an AR platform. So it's pretty smooth, man. My opinion on this is it's 10 out of 10. It's a good. It seems, well, you know, my visual rate for this would be like a 10 out of 10. Definitely got to see how this shoot, see what rounds, what kind of shells shoot good out of it, and things like that. I'm not really sure how to, let's see, gonna fire, yeah, boom. I'm not really sure how to pull this. I think I'd have to pull it. I know it's not nothing in here. It's practically brand new. Hasn't been loaded. Yeah, but no, this is her. Not really sure what else much to say. It does have a fire, it does have a safety. So you can, okay, yeah, so you can have the option to keep it on safety or not on safety. But yeah, it's a good gun, $200, 12 gauge AR, great price. Definitely, I would definitely say go get you one, for sure. Like I said, you already know, you're not gaming with DH, but you're gunning with DH, M12 AR. You already know.